What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Very exciting day today. It's been a really long time since my last upload. I took a look last night and last video was about 8 months ago. So yeah, last summer was pretty busy, so I couldn't finish the project. So winter came and I kind of, finished it under the shadow. Nobody really knows until today, I guess tomorrow when I put the video up. But yeah, today is going to be a very special day. Cross finger, we're going to try to start up the motor, right? Literally today is going to be the fire up of the 1JZ on the 2013 Scion FR-S. So I'm actually working with someone, a tuner from overseas. He's actually from Greece. I have really good recommendation from friends of mine and people. So I guess I took the chance, and then let's see how it goes. But before that, I actually want to give you guys a walk around on the Scion FRS, with the JZ. Man, this thing looks so good. So here's the 1JZ. Everything is pretty much done. Well, except this, throttle cable over here, because I'm still trying to modify the pedal. But yeah, everything is pretty much done. We got the oil coolers. We got the radiator coolers, Porsche style. I have you guys know I have the, I bought a 986 Porsche Boxster. So when I took the bumper out, I find out the radiator were on the side, So as you guys know, I do actually have a small turbo on this setup, on this build. This is the BorgWarner 257mm. I actually want to have, a very good responsive on throttle. I don't want to have any lag, So I want, pretty much instant boost. Well, I mean, not instant. We could say like 3 or 4K RPM. Probably full boost. I'm not really sure yet because, like I said, no, we're gonna start the car today. Hopefully, I could, drive it out by next week, when I played it out, and also insure it. So that's the plan. 1JZ VVTI stock internal, everything is stock. We did all the services that we have to do. We got 1050X injector dynamics injectors, stock fuel rail, stock intake manifold. I kind of want to just put the car on the ground to show you guys how low this car is. So as you guys know, I also have the quick jack. So yeah, this thing being really helpful. So it's coming down. Doot, 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 doot. Damn. Here he comes. What? Man, this thing looks like a go-kart. Look at how tiny is it. Damn. It's very low though. Look at that. My hips are here. It's pretty much the height of my porch. Man, so stoked. Look at this thing. This thing is actually very low. But it looks really good though. I mean, I don't recall though, but I don't see my 240 as low as this. So I guess, I don't know, I get used to see this car on the jack all the way up, but man, look at that. All right, so pretty much here's the computer. Everything is connected. The ECU is on, is connected. All right, onto the computer. Everything is good. We have power, we have everything. I'm just showing you guys. Here I'm trying to actually test out the fans. Showing some outputs, and we have here, this is 6811. We have 6811. We're 6811 for the fans. Little trigger. They're running. Well, there's number of cycles. So I guess this is, I'm not really sure. That actually spins. Oh, my bad. You don't go here. You go over here. Oh man, this thing is so confusing. You go to output and then you come to here. Coolant fans and you do invert output. We got plenty of coolant. Turn it off. The fans are running good. And then we got fuel pump. And then you click invert output and you can actually hear the pump priming and running. And filling up the whole system. Pump is running. Surge tank is running. Man, this thing is cool, man. I like it. Let's stop it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure we got our fuel pressure going as well. Yep. There you have it. What else we could try here? We could try a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, we don't have the output here for the speedo, but I guess I could just fill it up. I don't know where is it. This is going to canvas. And I got some goodies here. I got the Sicky hydraulic e-brake. You know, I got it on a good deal, so why not? Why not? Absolutely. Oh, another thing is, like, I have installed that the GTE Rocket Bunny front fenders flares on it. As you can see, it looks so good. I got the rears here. I haven't gotten a chance to install them because of lacking the space in here. I gotta do a lot of cutting and welding, so might as well just get the car running and do it probably outside. Oh shit, this thing sit really low. I got that I think this is the Street Faction bash bar. I got it a while back on a deal, so yes. Something on this side. I'm actually gonna go on this side. I wanna get inside the car. Oh, my bad. All right, there you go. Man, this looks good. Man, this thing is tiny. Put this thing in the gear in case it's gonna roll down. Here's the Scion FR-S. I think I took out the fuse for this because it was actually consuming a lot of battery, but I'm gonna put it back so the radio works. Everything works in this car. This is so amazing. Windows, we got power windows. I gotta fix that. They're kind of slow. This is faster. Maybe it's the rubber here. I'll take a look later. But yeah, here's the car, man. Look at that. Excited. Very excited. Oh shit, it's so tiny. Tiny garage space, as you guys know. I'm actually saving up, man, like to try to get a place, you know, so I could just do more cars like other people does it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna mix the Toyota red coolant with the distilled water, so I could just put it into the radiator. All right, so I added about close to 2 gallons of coolant into the system right now until it bleeds out, and then I guess we could add more. But I guess we're ready for the tune. We're gonna start what is this? The any desk is on. There you go. And then I would guess I would wait for the tuner to call. There's the messenger. There you go. That's Nick. And that's also my buddy Joe that he recommended me though. So, and then okay, let's go. I think he's gonna send me like an invite or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah. All right, the moment of truth, guys. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Whoop, I guess I got the clutch in. That's why. 3, 2, 1, go. So he's telling me to start again. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! It's nice and calm now. It's nice and calm now. I think we have a he's doing his thing on the computer, well, what a mess I got here. Look at that. It's crazy. Ended up that this bolt that I put in, I guess I didn't torque it tight enough. So it was loose and oil was actually shooting out from this little opening here. So damn, man, what a mess. Look at that. That's all I have. Paper towels. Oh my god, this thing got some crazy pressure. Look at where the motor is. Look at where is the Porsche. That thing shoot out straight to my other car. My son was actually standing here. Now he's full of oil. Now he's gonna take in a shower now. It's crazy. All right, so just a little recap here on the Scion FR-S and the 1JZ today. She's alive. She's running good. The only problem that we had is, you know, we have a bad idler control valve, you know, so the valve we stay open at all time. So there's no other way. There's no way that we could control it, you know. That's why you guys saw that, you know, the car wanted to go up and down, you know, RPM up and down. And then the last thing what happened is my mistake when I replaced the VVTI cam gear. I did not actually replace this nut, and this nut actually come with a crash washer. This is the stock one that actually came with the motor. You guys see there's a crash washer over here, you know, that is actually missing in here. So that what caused this bolt to gotten loose, and I guess, you know, and all this madness in here, you know. I just cleaned it up. I just washed the Porsche too, like half-assed, because it's pretty cold still in here. But yeah, so one thing to remind you guys, if you guys gonna replace your cam gear, make sure that you buy a new extra bolt. The bolt will actually come, I mean, the washer, the crush washer will actually come with the bolt. So, you know, make sure to replace it, torque it down, and then you should be good. I got scared on my man. I thought it was a fuel pump failure or something, you know, maybe the front link seal or the cam seal, but ended up like it was this little hex nut here that was failing. Again, my mistake, you know. So I guess, hey, we learn somehow, right? If it doesn't fail, how we know that we did it wrong or right? So, I mean, I'm glad that, you know, it happened here in the garage and not on the street. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this video. I still got a lot planning to clean up in here, you know, pick up this stuff over here. Another thing is, I got the mulligan. This is the oil that I'm gonna be running after the Castro. I don't know, I'm probably gonna put 100 miles on it, or maybe 200 miles on it. you know, clean all the stuff that is really inside the engine. I already did it once, you know, with some chip oil, you know, at the beginning of the build. I guess we'll do it again, you know, because all the residue and stuff like that, that was, I don't know, I guess. And then that should be it. I mean, welcome back. Glad to, you know, vlog again. I mean, I'm trying as much as I can, but sometimes between jobs here, jobs there, it gets really busy. So I really don't really have time to, you know, to put my hands on the car and video editing. And you guys know it gets really tough. So yeah, if you like this video, like always, please give it a thumbs up, share, follow, and subscribe. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time.